Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna start off with my face base. Right here I'm using a jelly pack as my face base today. It's almost like a glue. It's really thick and sticky, so I'm just using that all over my face, and then I'm gonna take a piece of tissue paper and I'm just tearing it into small pieces and sticking it on top of the jelly pack. This is going to be an alternative for the latex. So I'm doing it really messy so that it will look like a burnt peeling face. I don't want it to look really neat and clean. So yeah, I'm doing that right here. I'm also going to repeat the steps till my neck. I'm also going to put on the tissues and also the jelly pack on my neck so that it looks really put together. Right here I'm going to take my foundation. I have taken about 3 to 4 pumps over here. I'm just taking it on a flat foundation brush and then dabbing it carefully on top of the tissues, because I don't want the tissues to move around, so I'm just dabbing it so that it sticks on really well. To cover my entire face and my neck, I've used about 8 to 9 pumps of this foundation. So right now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. I'm going to create the burnt like effect on my face. So for that I'm going to use this black eyeshadow. I'm taking a small brush and then just taking the black eyeshadow and dabbing it on random places on my face. And I found it that it is a bit too hard for me to work on with that small brush and the black eyeshadow. So I've taken a big flat top brush and then I'm just applying the black eyeshadow all over my face. So right here I've taken 2 liquid lipsticks. One is a bright red shade and one is a really dark vampy purple. I'm going to mix both the shades to create a bruise-like effect on my face. I'm just going to apply it all over my face till my neck. Right here I've taken a bit more of the red liquid lipstick and then just randomly dabbing on a few places to give an effect of a fresh wound. I'm also bringing it down to my neck. I'm going to use a black eyeshadow to create a smoky effect on my eyes. So I'm putting the black shade all over my lid up till my brow bone. I'm going to repeat the same step on my other eyes as well. I'm also going to layer the black eyeshadow on a few places where I feel like there should be more burnt effect. Right now I'm taking a red liquid lipstick and just dabbing it on the outer corner of my eyes. Over here I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just going to line my waterline with this liner. Using a white or a nude eyeliner is going to make your eyes look much more bigger and wide awake. So I'm doing that right now. With the help of a small brush, I'm just lining my waterline with the Jumbo Eye Pencil and also applying the white eyeliner on my lashes. So yeah guys, that's the end look. I really hope that you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did so, means please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, means. And yeah guys, till I meet you all next time. Goodbye.